Welcome to the Media Creator channel. In this video I will quickly show the double exposure effect. We separate our photo from the background and mask it. Add a white background. We choose our forest-themed photo and we buy screen mode. Adjust the position of the photo and mask it. We choose the mask and paint the face part. The tree pictures here will disappear. Copy the forest image with Ctrl+J. Hard light moduna aliorum v fil degerini dusarium. After that, create black v white. And then create levels, grab it from the left side and pull it to the right. The picture is ready. Final details. And it's over. Press the like key and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.